Here we come to the elevator at Forever 21 at the Galleria Mall in Houston, Texas. It's a Schindler 330A, and I'm sorry about the muted audio because I really have no other choice than this only way to block off the music for copyright. We'll go up to 2. And as you remember correctly, this used to be Borders, and the elevator is still the exact same as it was before. All right, now I can safely unmute. All right, I'm gonna have to mute again. Sorry guys, I have to keep the audio muted because there is literally music blasting so loudly and that I have no other choice than to mute the audio to avoid getting a copyright. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and stop the camera here. So that'll be it. Thanks for watching.